A 1-minute guide to keyboard foam. Keyboard foam, also known as dampening foam, is a functional material specifically designed for mechanical keyboards. It is primarily used to fill the space between the keyboard's plate and PCB, providing protection for internal components, significantly reducing typing noise, enhancing typing comfort, and optimizing the acoustics of keystrokes to make them more pleasant. Keyboard foam typically comes in black or white and ranges in thickness from 1 to 5 millimeters to suit different keyboard designs. Its unique perforated die-cut structure not only aids in sound absorption, but also reduces the material's weight, making the keyboard lighter. Micro-Cellular Polyurethane foam is one of the most commonly used materials for keyboard foam. It offers excellent elasticity, cushioning, shock absorption, and moldability, providing users with a comfortable typing experience and earning widespread popularity. Microcellular polyurethane foam is available in various series, such as Fast Rebound, Slow Rebound, and Rigid types. When selecting the right foam, factors like thickness, rebound speed, and compression stress should be carefully considered to ensure a perfect fit for your keyboard and optimal performance. If you're unsure about choosing the right keyboard foam, XYFoams is here to help. We provide one-stop services from design and development to production, offering professional and efficient material solutions. We will be your reliable material partner.